Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
In the short run, new residential construction projects increase investment, causing aggregate demand to rise and real output to increase. On a Phillips curve graph, this shift is shown as a movement up and left along the short-run Phillips curve, or SRP, from point P to S. For foreign goods, consequently, Vortanians supply fewer crowns in the exchange market to buy Rodarin marks, causing the supply of crowns to shift left and the exchange rate or value of the to appreciate. This appreciation makes Vortanian exports relatively more expensive and imports cheaper, which decreases net exports, NX. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.